Take 11. Don't use max, that's the name of the thing. Explanation for why it's called that is in the documentation. So this is functionality 1. Takes from walk, takes distance, spits out time. Let's put a distance in here. Let's put in 12. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so that's how many minutes. There's some extra functionality here that I'll talk about later. Okay, let's go to the equivalent time. This is number 2 where you put in a distance and you get the equivalent times. Let's try, let's try first taking the one wheel, and let's try 2 miles and see what happens. See, we see it takes 38.71 minutes to walk 2 miles and 6.32 minutes to do the rest. So this is all the basic functionalities done, and the color choice for the background was because this is the color that my roommates liked the most. They did not like white. Apparently it was too clashing. But okay, so let me just describe this extra functionality I did. So if it's sub a couple minutes, and what happens is that it will round to 2 minutes, 2 decimal points. If you create a bigger one, as you saw in the first example, it will just disregard it and not put any decimal points, because I'm assuming people don't want to see that. Okay, let's check some of the extra credit points out other than this. What happens if I put in 31 miles here? As you can see, it kind of goes red because it's out of the range. So that's one of the extra credits. Let's go to this tab. This tab is where it takes a certain time and it outputs the distance. Let's put the time here. Let's put, let's say I have an hour to get somewhere. Let's see how much I can walk in that time. Give me the distance. Oh look, I can go 3.1 miles. As expected. What if we check out the Segway? Give me the distance. Oh look, I can go almost 3 times as much. Okay, so if I go click this one to equivalent time, you'll see there's another. What if I want to see multiple things at the same time? Okay, then all we have to do is click view all. After which you see here, this is currently blank because as we haven't input a distance. But let's input a distance here. Let's input 5 miles. Okay, let's see how long that takes for each respective one. There we go. Another interesting thing that you can do here is you can do, if I put like, let's say 31. The interesting thing here is that all of these turn red. Except for the Evolve skateboard. Oops, sorry about that. But yeah. Thanks for watching.